DHH Reading Kits: Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes. Learn American Sign Language words that go along with this book. On the screen, a child smiles while holding her hands to her head. Learn more at mdelio.org. Find more videos, get resources, and learn how MDELIO can support you.